we're just going to show you a video of how to make some jewellery at home using just paper, glue and some string. So I'm going to show you how to make some paper jewellery, and all you need for it is any kind of old magazines. So I've just got old magazine bits here, or if you do have any coloured paper lying around at home, that also works. And you don't want it to be too thick, you want it to be thinnish, just like a kind of normal paper sort of thickness. The other thing you'll need is some PVA glue, and you'll need some scissors and string. I happen to find some string lying around, but anything like ribbon or just kind of normal, any old string should do the job. The other thing you need is something round, like, so I'm using a straw, but you could use a pen or a pencil or anything like that, and I'll show you why you need that in a moment. You also need a paintbrush and a little pot to put your glue in, which I've got here. So what you want to do is get your piece of paper, and we need to cut like a sort of triangle out of this. So you go like this, and it doesn't have to be perfect at all, so we get a triangle like that. And then what you need to do is get your straw or your pencil and roll the paper around. Again, doesn't need to be perfect, just try and get it as tight as you can around there. And roll, roll, roll. And what can happen, as you can see here, is depending on what pattern's on your paper, you can get really nice effects with it. And then you get a bit of glue, PVA glue, paint it on here, like that, and then roll it round, and just using your fingers, just keep rolling to make sure it sticks really, really well, like that. And then carefully, oh, this bit's sometimes a bit tricky, you push it off, like that, and as simple as that, you've got your paper bead. So I'm going to leave that to dry there and make all my other ones. So you need to let your beads dry. So I've got a few here that I've made earlier. So you can see different types of papers make different ones and different thicknesses. So you get your string and you measure it to the kind of length you want, maybe around your neck. You could maybe get someone at home to help you do that. And then you thread them on. And then you can just tie a little knot to the top. You can do yours a bit better. And there you've got your necklace. Now I've got a few different other ones that I've made just to show you how you could do different types of beads. So this one was with gold paper, which is my favourite, and purple magazine. So you could do like alternate ones. I actually dyed this string using a bit of food colouring, so you could play about with that too to get different colours. This one I thought was quite sweet. It's just a single tiny bead, and I tried chopping up my beads once they were dry as well, and that works quite well. This is just one really long bead on a quite jazzy bit of gold thread that I had. Again, you can just do kind of a smaller amount if you just find some nice paper. And this one is quite a nice one. It's quite effective with some really nice piece of magazine that I found that had loads of a really cool pattern, and that one looks really good too. So please send in your pictures of what you make, and we can put it online on the website and see it in the gallery. Hope you enjoy. Bye.